Hello students, now we see the properties of arithmetic mean. Now property number 1, algebraic sum of the deviation of a set of values from their arithmetic mean is 0. Algebraic sum of deviations of a set of values from their arithmetic mean is 0. Now we see the proof of this property. You consider the frequency distribution xi by fi. Let xi by fi, I is going from 1, 2, 3 up to the n, be frequency distribution, be a frequency distribution Now you have to prove that the algebraic sum of the deviation of a set of values from their arithmetic mean is 0. So you consider algebraic sum of fi into xi minus x bar, I is going from 1 to n, and you have to prove that this is equal to 0, is equal to, so this can be written as by properties of summation sign, summation of fi xi, I is going from 1 to n, minus summation of fi into x bar, again I is going from 1 to n. X bar is arithmetic mean, so it is a constant term, so is equal to summation of fi into xi, I is going from 1 to n, minus x bar into summation of fi. And you know that sum of all frequency is equal to capital N notation. So this can be written as again summation of fi xi, I is going from 1 to n, minus x bar into capital N, where n is equal to sum of all frequencies, I is going from 1 to n. So left side is summation of fi into xi minus x bar, I is going from 1 to n. So you put the name equation number 1. But since what is x bar? X bar is the arithmetic mean which is given by 1 upon n summation of fi into xi, I is going from 1 to n. Now from this summation of fi xi is equal to x bar into n. Therefore this implies x bar into n is equal to summation of fi into xi, I is going from 1 to n, number 2. Then you use 2 in 1. Using equation 2, using equation 2 in 1, we get 1 with this summation of fi, summation of fi into xi minus x bar, I is going from 1 to n, is equal to value of summation of fi xi is x bar into n minus x bar into n. X bar into n minus x bar into n is equal to 0. Therefore, algebraic sum of the derivation of a set of values from their arithmetic mean is 0. Here arbitrary point is x bar. So this is the property number 1. Now we see the property number 2. The squares of the property number 7, the squares, sum of the squares, the sum of the squares of algebraic derivation sum of the squares of derivation, not algebraic, sum of the squares of derivation of a set of values is minimum taken from arithmetic mean, taken from arithmetic mean. We have to prove that the sum of the squares of derivation of a set of values is minimum taken from arithmetic mean. Now we see the proof of the property second. Property second is the sum of the squares of the derivation of a set of values is minimum when taken about mean. Now proof of this. Now for the frequency distribution xi by fi, I is going from 1 to n, let z is equal to summation of fi into xi minus a whole square. Here a is arbitrary point, it is mean or median or mode, and here we have to prove that a is mean. Be the sum of the squares of derivation of a given values from any arbitrary point a, and we have to prove that this z is minimum when this arbitrary point a is equal to x bar. Now you know the principle of maxima and minima from the differential calculus. So you apply the principle of maxima and minima from differential calculus. You know that function is minimum when its partial derivative, first partial derivative is equal to 0 and second partial derivative is greater than 0. That is the principle of maxima and minima. Now here partial derivative of z with respect to a is equal to 0 implies z means z is equal to summation of fi into xi minus a square. You take its derivative, partial derivative with respect to a. Therefore, here fi is the frequency and xi is the variable and a is arbitrary point, and you are going to differentiate this with respect to a. Therefore, minus derivative of xi minus a square 2 into xi minus a into derivative of xi minus a with respect to a means derivative of xi with respect to a 0 and derivative of a with respect to a means 1, and here minus 1. Therefore 2 in here minus 2 into summation of fi into xi minus a raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into this is equal to 0, but summation of fi into xi minus a is not 0, or this is equal to 0 upon minus 2 means 0. So this implies summation of fi into xi minus a is equal to 0. Now from this, by property of summation sign, summation of fi into xi is equal to, you take right side, a into summation of fi, and you know that sum of all frequencies is capital N, therefore a into n, and from this you have a capital A is equal to 1 upon n into summation of fi xi, and you know that 1 upon n summation of fi xi is the arithmetic mean x bar. Therefore a is equal to x bar, that is arbitrary point a is equal to x bar. Again we have to prove that its second partial derivative with respect to a is positive. Therefore you have the first derivative with respect to a means this, and you take the derivative of minus 2 into fi into xi minus a with respect to a, you get the derivative of z, second derivative of z with respect to a. Therefore, dou 2 z by dou a square is equal to derivative of this minus 2 as it is, summation of fi as it is, derivative of xi minus a with respect to a, derivative of xi 0 and derivative of minus a minus 1. Therefore, you have minus 2 into summation of fi into minus 1. Again, here minus 1, here minus 2, minus become plus, therefore 2 here and into summation of fi. Again, you know the summation of fi means sum of all frequencies, therefore sum of all frequencies capital N, therefore 2 into N, 2 is positive, sum of all frequencies always positive, therefore dou 2 z by dou a square is again here greater than 0. Hence, z is the minimum at the point a is equal to x bar. X bar means arithmetic mean. Thus, we conclude that the sum of the squares of the derivation of a set of values is minimum when taken about mean. Thank you.